Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to leverage your YouTube channel's potential and earn some extra income, activating TubeBuddy's affiliate access is a great way to start. This simple guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of getting your affiliate access set up, enabling you to promote TubeBuddy and earn commissions. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a TubeBuddy account. Before you can start your affiliate journey, you need to have a TubeBuddy account. If you haven't already, visit the TubeBuddy website and sign up for a free account. Once you have your account, you can explore all the features and tools that TubeBuddy offers. Step 2. Navigate to the affiliate program section. Once logged into your TubeBuddy account, look for the Affiliate tab in the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the information you need to become an affiliate. Click on it to access the affiliate program details. Step 3. Read the terms and conditions. Before applying, make sure to read through the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Understanding the guidelines and payout structure is essential for anyone looking to promote TubeBuddy effectively. Step 4. Apply for the affiliate program. After familiarizing yourself with the terms, locate the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form, providing the necessary information such as your YouTube channel details and how you plan to promote TubeBuddy. Make sure to provide accurate and detailed information to improve your chances of being approved. Step 5. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted your application, all you need to do is wait for approval. TubeBuddy reviews applications to ensure they have qualified affiliates. You'll receive an email notification regarding your application status, so keep an eye on your inbox. Step 6. Access your affiliate links. Once approved, return to the affiliate program section in your TubeBuddy dashboard. Here, you can find your unique affiliate links. These links will track any sales made through them, so it's important to use them when sharing TubeBuddy with your audience. Step 7. Promote TubeBuddy. Now that you have your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting TubeBuddy. You can share your links through various methods, such as creating tutorial videos on YouTube, writing blog posts, or sharing on social media. Highlight the benefits of TubeBuddy and how it can help others optimize their channels. Step 8. Track your earnings. Monitor your earnings through the TubeBuddy affiliate dashboard. This will help you understand which strategies are effective and allow you to refine your promotional efforts for better results. Remember, consistency and genuine promotion are key. Share your personal experiences with TubeBuddy to engage your audience and encourage them to try it out using your affiliate links. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you the best of luck on your TubeBuddy affiliate journey.